What's up everybody, it's me, Levi Spangler, back here with another video. Today I am alone, Caden is not here, and I'm on a little hike in the woods today, like normal. And today we're in Table Rock State Park in South Carolina, I think that's what it's called. And we're doing the Table Rock Summit Trail, which apparently is the hardest hike in South Carolina to a lot of people. I just started, and right at the start you get an awesome view of a nice little waterfall. Super beautiful. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on this freaking trail because I don't know how long it's gonna take. It's a pretty long trail. It's like 7 miles with over 2,000 feet of elevation gain. So it's probably gonna take me a little bit, and I'm starting a little late. So we're probably gonna have to get going before it gets dark because it's January and it gets dark really fast. So
this is the top view of the waterfall. This is Carrot Creek Falls.
Decent waterfall. It's not too big. There's another one right up here, so we're gonna go check that out. Alright, so we came to a crossroads here. This is where all the trails split ways. I'm going that way. This way is the Foothills Trail, which is a pretty popular backpacking trail, through hiking trail. I don't know how long it is, but it goes for a pretty good ways. Might do that one day. We'll see. Not sure. Haven't done any research on it, so I don't know if it's worth doing or not, but I think this is like the start of the Foothills Trail, or one of the ends, I'm not sure. But anyways, we are going to Table Rock. Apparently, on all trails, everybody says this trail is really hard and really steep. And I mean, the elevation gains over 2,000 feet in about 3 miles, 3.5 miles. So yeah, I could see that. But we're gonna get to the top because apparently the view is amazing.
Look at this over here. Freaking like massive boulders. I would go over there, but
I don't wanna. I'm gonna be honest. But they're freaking big. They're probably bigger than that one like standing up right there. That one's probably like school bus size. It always makes me like wonder how like they got here and like how long they've been there. I'm sure it's probably from like the Ice Age or something. I don't know. Just a guess. But huge. I mean, look at this one.
that's like house size. Just a boulder. Just sitting there. Right there.
One thing I'm noticing on this trail is the lack of rhododendron. Since we're not at a high altitude, we're actually pretty low altitude in Table Rock State Park until you get up to Table Rock, which is I think over 3,000 feet in elevation. So no rhododendron, just like some normal
Woods and laurels. That's about it.
Alright boys and girls, we have made it to the last crossroads. Is this where we walk on the ridge up to the top? All right.
There's one or two little hard climbs and then you're done.
Sweet, okay.
Make sure you absolutely go to the end.
Go to the
end?
end?
The trail continues, keep on going. It drops a little bit lower. A lot of people never go down to this.
Oh, really?
Park.
Okay. All right, well, let's go ahead and hike up to the top. He was just saying that there's a little bit more climbing left. He also said make sure to go all the way to the end, because at the end there's a very beautiful part that not a lot of people go to or know about. So a little bit of a insider scoop, I guess.
All right, so that's the blaze right there on that tree. And this is the trail, and it's just a big slab of
wet rock. If you know my history of hiking videos, I don't like stuff that makes it possible to slip and slide everywhere. So they did kind of cut out
little steps. I guess that makes it a little better. So, okay.
This is like the last little bit of climbing right here. Nothing that bad so far. I did have to do a little like scrambling, a tiny bit, just like mantling up boulders and stuff, but other than that, pretty straightforward. I think we've made it, because
now we're on this giant slab and we're starting to get views out this way, and there's steps leading all the way up this. So
I mean, this is an amazing view, just this here.
I think this is Governor's Rock, what we just climbed up. This 2,854 feet.
Like I said, we're not in that high of elevation today. The top is a little over 3,000 feet. I'm not exactly sure the exact elevation. I'll let you guys know in a little bit, but we're not really that high up today, because we are in South Carolina, and South Carolina is mainly not known for its mountains. So honestly, no lie, I didn't even know that South Carolina really had anything like this until like earlier this year, when me and Caden, my brother, which is the person that's normally here with me if you don't watch my videos, but me and him went on a road trip earlier in 2022 in the spring, and we saw a bunch of waterfalls and stuff, and we somehow ended up in South Carolina after picking up a hitchhiker that was hiking the Foothills Trail, and we ended up passing Table Rock, and he was telling me about Table Rock and all the places around here. So I was like, huh, I didn't even know this place existed. So now I do, and I'm here and I'm hiking it. All right, so we made it to our first little outlook at the top, and very nice.
This is looking, I believe, south. I'm fairly certain this is south, somewhere this way.
Very nice view. I'm glad the climbing is done. So now we can go check out the rest of the top here, see what we can find.
This is it. The Table Rock Summit, 3,100 feet.
Well, 3,124. So yeah, a little over 3,000 feet. This is the summit. So no views at the summit, but the trail continues. So I'm sure the amazing views that guy was talking about is this way. It's super weird up here because there's no rhododendron or laurels or stuff I'm used to seeing in the mountains. It's super weird. It's just,
especially in the wintertime, everything's dead up here. Like, there's nothing.
so I have made it to the end. I think this is the end, and yeah, the view is absolutely amazing. There's a freaking
lake, a big lake. I don't know what lake that is, but then we have another cool looking mountain there. An amazing ridge out there with some houses on it. And we even have a freaking waterfall over here, dude. I don't know what waterfall that is. If anybody knows, let me know. Amazing spot, and it's silent up here. Super peaceful. I brought these freaking yogurt covered pretzels. They're raspberry yogurt, raspberry truffle twist yogurt pretzels. They're pretty good, and I'm craving them, and I'm hungry, so that's what I'm gonna eat, hang out. I also brought like some of the best trail food or trail mix I've ever encountered. This has got like pineapples, banana chips, coconuts, cranberries, walnuts, cashews, and papaya in it. So good. I'm just hanging out, man. There was people up here, so I didn't want to disturb them and talk to the camera, but I think they left, so. Alright, well, I finished my snack. It got a little chilly just sitting here, and then I was sweating on the way up, and my back's wet, and then the breeze was blowing on my back, so I got cold, and I put my jacket on. But anyways, I just hung out here for a little bit, ate some snacks, enjoyed the peace and quiet and the view and everything, and then, yeah, I think I'm gonna head back, because I have to get back before, I don't know, I said on my permit I was gonna be back by 5, so that's what I'm aiming for. I'm gonna go ahead and head back. It's 3.5 miles back, and yeah, not a bad way to start off the year. I normally don't hike by myself. I'm normally with my brother Caden. If you're not familiar with my channel, he's normally here with me when I go out and I make videos and stuff, but he had to work today. He's a big boy now, he's 16, so sometimes our schedules don't align. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, then you can leave a like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Peace out, and live cosmic.